In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic product image gallery in the Shopify Dawn theme. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Head to Online Store, then Themes. Locate the Dawn theme you're working with and click Customize. This opens the Theme Customizer, which is where all the visual changes happen in real time, so you can see exactly what your customers will see. Next, we need to work on the product page. At the top of the editor, open the dropdown and choose Products, then Default Product. This tells Shopify that the changes you're about to make apply to your standard product page layout. Now let's add the gallery area. In the left-hand sidebar, click Add Section. You have a few good options depending on your layout goals. Gallery lets you showcase multiple images in a clean grid. Image with text is great if you want a descriptive blurb beside visuals. Featured Product pulls in rich product-specific content. Pick the section that matches your design and add it to the page. Once your section is in place, start building it out with blocks. Inside that section, add the blocks it supports. These might be individual image blocks, or if you chose Featured Product, product-specific blocks like images, title, and price. You can drag to reorder blocks to control the visual flow and remove any you don't need to keep things focused. To make this gallery dynamic, connect it to product data rather than static images. Look for the Connect Dynamic Source option or similar controls in the section settings. In a Featured Product section, select the product you want to display, and the images from that product will populate automatically. You can also link the content to a specific collection so the gallery reflects items related to that product. Some sections include options to show related products or to connect to a collection and limit how many items appear, which helps keep the layout tidy and relevant. With content connected, customize the look and feel. Adjust the layout to control how many images appear per row. Choose the image ratio so everything feels consistent. And set the color scheme to match your brand. These small styling tweaks make a big difference in polish and usability. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply your changes to the theme. That's it. Your product page now features a dynamic on-brand image gallery powered by your store's product data.